Number 12. I'm going to set this equal to 0, so we have the square root of x to the 4th plus y to the 2nd. And then I'm going to subtract the 7x and then subtract the 2y to the 3rd equals 0. I'm going to rewrite this square root as a power so I can do the power rule. So I'm going to put parentheses, x to the 4th plus y to the 2nd. This is raised to the 1/2 minus 7x minus 2y to the 3rd equals 0. And we want to find dy dx, which I'm going to do the partial, so the negative partial of x over partial of y. So focusing on x, I'm going to do this term and this term. That's a constant, it will be 0. So the derivative of this term using the power rule will get 1/2, leave the inside alone, x to the 4th plus y squared, and then you subtract 1, so that'll leave me a negative 1/2, and then times the derivative of the inside, so the derivative of x to the 4th will be 4x to the 3rd, and the derivative of y is going to be 0 because we're treating it like a constant, just doing a partial derivative. Alright, so that's the first part. Derivative of negative 7x will just give me a minus 7. And then that will be 0. So here's my partial derivative with respect to x, and then I'm going to do the partial with respect to y. So when we do y, we pretty much get the same because we'll get the 1/2, and then we'll get x to the 4th plus y squared raised to the negative 1/2 power. And then times the derivative of the inside, which is, that's going to be 0, treated like a constant. Derivative of y is 2y, sorry, the y squared is 2y. And then that's going to be 0. This derivative, 3 times 2 will give me 6. Subtract 1, 6y squared. Okay. So here's my derivative. If you want to leave it like that, you can. Nothing wrong with leaving it like this. Computer will accept it just so long as you get the derivative part. The rest is just algebra if you choose to simplify. So I'm going to type it in just like this, just having done the derivative. I have a negative out front, and then I got 1 divided by 2, and then x to the 4th plus y to the 2nd. That's going to be raised to the negative 1/2, and then there is a times 4x to the 3rd, and then a minus 7. And on the bottom, 1 divided by 2, x raised to the 4th, y squared, all raised to the negative 1/2 power, times 2y minus 6y squared.